Hello students, today another topic, new lesson we are going to learn, that is playing with numbers. Okay, last year we had learned about the numbers and some properties also. Today again we have to discuss few points about the numbers. Now see, every number is a factor of itself. Student, first of all, you should know what is meant by factor and what is meant by multiple. These two terms are very important in this lesson. Okay. Now, factor and multiple means what? That I will explain you. Suppose, now see here, 2. And I will write the table of 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, and so on. Got it? So here 2 4 6 8 10 12, the numbers which comes in the table or the numbers which are divisible by a number, those numbers are called as a multiples. Means see, these numbers comes in the table of 2 and these numbers are divisible by 2, means we can divide this number by 2. So these numbers are called as multiples of 2, whereas 2 is called as factor of these numbers. Okay? Understood the difference between factors and multiples? Multiples means the numbers to which we can divide by a given number. That is, these numbers are multiples. And factor means by which number we can divide this. Now suppose 4 is divisible by 2 and 4. Correct? So factor of 4 are 2 and 4. Means, and here see now, 2 is a factor of 2, number 2 also, number 4 also, 6 also, 8 also, 10 also, 12. Means all these numbers we can divide by 2. So 2 is a factor of these numbers, and these numbers which comes in 2's table are called as multiples. Okay. So understood the difference between factors and multiples. Now second, now see, the every number is a factor of itself. Suppose if I ask what is the factor of 11, so you can say 11 is a factor of 11 because every number, any number you can take. So every number is a factor of itself. Next, 1 is a factor of every number. Whatever number you can take, 1 is a factor of all numbers, every number. Next, a factor of number can never be greater than a number. Now suppose the numbers are given and if the question is find out a factor of the given numbers, then keep in mind your answer should come less than that given number to whose we have to find out the factor. Now here see, 4, 6, 8, 12, 2, 4, 6, 10, 8, 12 and all. So 2 is a factor and look at this number. Is it greater than this number? No, never. So a factor of number can never be greater than a number. Next, number of factors of number are finite. Finite means countable. Number of factors. A factor of any given number we can count. They are countable. Then every number is a multiple of itself. See here, you can see in this. 2 is multiple, these are multiples. 2 is multiple of 2. Got it? So like that only every number is a multiple of itself. In fact, every number is the smallest multiple of itself. If I'll ask you what is the smallest multiple of 2, then the number itself. 2 is the smallest multiple of 2. And if I'll ask you what is the smallest multiple of 3, your answer will be 3 only, because every number is a multiple of itself and it is, in fact, it is the smallest multiple. Now next, 1 cannot be a multiple of any number except itself. Now see, here we have written 1 is a factor of every number, but one cannot be a multiple of any number except itself. 1 can be multiple of 1 itself. It cannot be a multiple of any other number. It is a factor of whatever given numbers, but it cannot be a multiple. Now next, multiple of a number can never be less than the number. Means these multiples are always greater than the given number. They will never be less than the number. Like that, factors are always, factor of a given number is always less than the given number. But multiple of a given number are always greater than the given number. Followed? Now next remaining 2 points we will learn, that are, first see here, number of multiples of a number are infinite. Multiples of a given number, any given number, we can write uncountable multiples. Correct? Means infinite means uncountable. Many. No, we can go on writing the multiples. There is no aim for writing multiples of a given number. Whereas factors are limited, they are countable, finite. Next, last is the numbers 0 and 1 are neither prime or nor composite numbers. See, all numbers than 0 and 1 are all other digits like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can divide them in prime numbers or composite numbers. But 0 and 1, they are neither prime and nor composite numbers. Follow? These two more points we learned now. Now next is order of operations and simplification of brackets, that we will learn now. Now our next topic, order of operations and simplification of brackets. So if suppose in any mathematical expression all 4 operations are there, then how to solve that? Which operation to carry out first? Okay, that we have to see. Now see, for that, first operation always we have to give preference is division. After division, if multiplication is there, then that we will have to solve. After that, we have to see addition and then subtraction. Okay, first we have to carry out division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. Example I will show, 17 plus 36 divided by 12 minus 2 into 6. Here all 4 operations are there. Plus, division, addition, division, subtraction and multiplication. Now which operation to carry out first? So as per the rule, we have to give first, always give first preference to division and multiplication. Now here see, which operation has come first, division or multiplication? Division. So first we will carry out division. Okay. We have to divide 36 by 12. And other things we have to write as it is. So it is 17 plus. This sign also we have to write as it is. Now 36 divided by 12. 12 3s are 36. So answer is 3. Okay. This over. Now remaining, write as it is, minus 2 into 6. Follow? Now next what we have to do? Next we have to carry out multiplication, because we don't have to do addition and subtraction. First division we did, then multiplication. Okay. Now see, 7, that write as it is. This write as it is. Minus 6 2s are 12. Okay. After that, what we have to do? Out of addition and subtraction, as addition has come first, we will do addition. So 17 plus 3, 20. Okay, this operation carry out. Answer you write here, and minus 12 write as it is. Now 20 minus 12 is 8. So in this way, step by step, by using this, we have to solve the mathematical expression. Next we will see types of brackets. Okay. So first type is bar. It is also called as vinculum. VRNCULUM. vinculum. Then second type of bracket is round bracket, small bracket, simple bracket or parenthesis. See, bar is denoted, shown by like this. Round brackets or small brackets and all, it is denoted by this symbol. Then curly brackets or braces, it is shown by this symbol, curly brackets. Okay. Next is square brackets, box brackets, or it is also called as big brackets, and it is shown with this symbol. Okay. Whenever in the expression brackets are there, that time what we have to do first, if bar is there, if all types of these brackets are there in the expression, then always first chance or first preference we have to give, that is the this bar, then solve round bracket, then solve curly bracket, and at the end we have to solve this big bracket, or it is also called as square bracket. So understood? With this sequence also of brackets also, if many brackets are there, then which bracket to solve first, for that also rules are there. Understand? First we have to solve bar bracket, then give chance to round bracket, then solve curly bracket, and then at the end we will have to solve square bracket. And now see, have you heard the word BODMAS? Okay, BODMAS, where B stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So brackets means what? These brackets, these all 4 brackets, it stands for B. And if such brackets are there in the expression, then first we have to solve the brackets. If bar is there, then bar, then this round bracket, then curly bracket, and at the end square bracket. Followed? We will see one expression. If brackets are given, then how to solve it, how to simplify it, that I will show you. Okay. Now see here, simplify 39 minus inside the square bracket 28 minus inside curly bracket 16 minus inside round bracket 55 minus 4 minus 1 bar, round bracket completed, curly bracket completed, and square bracket completed. So this we have to solve. Now as per just now we learned, when brackets, many brackets are there, then first which bracket to solve. Here see, all 4 brackets are there. So first preference we will give to this bar. This operation we will carry out first. Okay, and other things write as it is. So see here, I will write 39 minus, other things I will write as it is. Okay, 16 minus 5, also I will write as it is. Now minus, where bar is there, on 4 minus 1. So this I will carry out, solve first. 4 minus 1 is 3. This minus I also write as it is. And round bracket completed, curly bracket completed, and then at the end square bracket completed. Okay, means in this first step what we will do, removing vinculum. This bar is also called as vinculum, means that we remove in this way. Now next preference to what we have to give, next is to the round bracket as per the rule. So 39 minus, other things go on writing like that only, minus. Now this we have to solve, round bracket. So minus 5 minus 3 is 2. This over. Then curly bracket, removing round bracket. Next. Now next which bracket we have to? We have to remove curly bracket. Means this operation we have to solve first. So 39 minus 28 minus 16 minus 2 is 14. Now this bracket will go, that we don't have to write. Only square bracket will be there. So here removing curly bracket. Okay. Now last which operation we have to carry out? Of square bracket. So that is 39 minus 28 minus 4. Now this square bracket we don't have to write. 28 minus 14 is 14. Here you can write removing square bracket. Okay. Now next 39 minus 14 we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3 minus 1 2. So this is the required answer. Followed when number of brackets are there given in the expression, then how to solve? First we have to solve if bar is there, that operation we have to do first. Then we will have to solve simple bracket or round bracket also it is called. Then we have to go for curly bracket and at the end we have to solve square bracket. This is the sequence and in this way we have to solve the mathematical expression. Followed? So students, now we will solve practice 2.1. Question number 1. Write a mathematical operation for each of the following. First one, 18 is added to quotient of 16 and 8. We have to find out quotient. Means which operation we have to find out? We have to do here. Quotient is related with division. So we have to carry out division here and in that we have to add 18. 18 is added. So how to write it in numbers? See here. 18 is added means plus quotient of, that is use simple bracket divided by 8. Whatever answer will get, that will be the quotient. So 18 is added to the quotient of 16 and 8. Next, 9 is multiplied to sum of 17 and 24. 9 is multiplied. Sum of 17 and 24. Sum of means addition of 17 and 24. Okay. In this way, we can write mathematical operation. Followed? Now students, we will start question number 2, that is simplify. See here in that first one, 23 minus 10 divided by 2. So here, according to the rule, which operation we have to carry out first? Division. So this we have to carry out first. Write other numbers and other signs as it is. So 23 minus also write as it is. Now 10 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. So here answer will come 5. Correct? Now subtraction. Do subtraction. 23 minus 5, 18. This is the answer of this expression. Okay. Now see second one. Here 33 minus 3 into 4. Now as per the rule, here subtraction is there, multiplication. So which operation we have to carry out first? Multiplication. So we will carry out multiplication. Other things write as it is, that is 33 minus 4 3s are 12. Now do 33 minus 12 is 3 minus 2, 1 and 3 minus 1, 2. So 21 is the required answer. Now next third one. See here. 60 minus 3 into 4 into 2. So here see multiplication twice. So first which to carry? First we will do this. Okay. So 60 minus, write as it is. Now 3 4s are 12. That answer we will write here. 3 4s are 12. Now into 2 remain, that write as it is. Okay. Now next 60 minus 12 2s are 24. Now do subtraction. Here 0 minus 4. Can we subtract? So 10 minus 4, 6 and 5 minus 2, 3. So 36 is the required answer. Now fourth one. 15 divided by 3 plus 2. First we have to carry out division. 15 divided by 3 answer is 5. Then write plus 2. And 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 is the answer. In this way, we can simplify the given problems. Followed? Now we will solve question number 3. Simplify. Now here see, brackets are also there and as well as different operations are also there. Okay, so how to solve? When brackets and different operations are there, that time we have to first give preference. First we have to solve is bracket. So see, in this expression, first we will solve this bracket. Okay. Now, while solving, other things we have to write as it is. We don't have to change them. So 32 minus 8 plus 14 is how much? 22. And after that minus 7. This answer, this bracket's answer is 22. And other things we have to write as it is. Okay. Now next, what we will do first? First you will do this subtraction or this subtraction. This subtraction we have to. If you have to go from left to right. Okay. So 32 minus 22. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 7. Okay. So 10 minus 7 is 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now, next question. See here. 32 minus 8 plus 14 minus 7. Here two brackets are there. So we have to solve those brackets at a time. Now 32 minus 8. What subtraction will come? How much? 20. 32 minus 8 is 24. Plus, this time we have to write as it is. 14 minus 7 is 7 is equal to. Now 24 plus 7 is 31. So this is the answer. Now next third one. See here. Here 16 divided by 8 divided by 2. So first we will have to solve the bracket. Is equal to 16 divided by 8 is 8 2s are 16. Divided. Now this write as it is divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. Now next fourth one. See here. 16 divided by 8 divided by 2. So first, we as per the rule, we have to do solve the bracket. So these things write as it is. 16 divided by, we will write as it is. Now 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now see, 16 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. So answer is 4. Followed? How to solve?